In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for scaled Agile and SAFe frameworks. We'll go step by step through how to structure Jira so it supports team-level delivery, program coordination, and portfolio visibility in a way that fits SAFe. The goal is to make Jira easier to manage and more useful for planning, tracking, and aligning work across multiple teams. Start by setting up your Jira projects. After you log in, create projects that reflect your SAFe structure. At the team level, this usually means separate projects for individual Scrum or Kanban teams. At the program level, create projects for features and shared delivery work that involve multiple teams. At the portfolio level, set up projects for larger business goals and strategic initiatives. As you create these projects, choose Scrum or Kanban templates based on how each team actually works. This is important because the right template makes boards, backlogs, and reporting much easier to use. Next, go into project settings and configure your issue types if needed. Here, you'll create the SAFe style work items that support your hierarchy. Use epics for large business initiatives, features for deliverable capabilities, stories for team-level requirements, tasks for implementation work, and bugs for defects. Keeping these issue types clearly defined helps everyone understand what kind of work they're looking at and how it fits into the bigger picture. Once that's ready, build your work hierarchy. Create epics for your large initiatives, then break those epics down into features. From there, split features into smaller user stories that teams can actually deliver. Tasks and bugs should then be linked to the appropriate stories. For example, you might have an epic called Mobile App Improvement, a feature called New Login Experience, a story called Add Social Login Option, and a task called Update Authentication API. Structuring work this way gives you traceability from strategy all the way down to execution. After that, plan your Agile release trains, or ARTs. Group-related teams that are working toward the same goal then create shared Jira boards or saved filters so that cross-team work is visible in one place. Use dashboards to monitor team progress, feature completion, and dependencies. This gives program stakeholders a clear view without needing to check every team board individually. Then manage your program increments by creating a roadmap or timeline. Add your features and epics into the appropriate planned time periods. Define goals for each program increment, and track progress throughout the PI. This helps keep delivery aligned with planned outcomes. You'll also want to manage dependencies between teams by creating issue links between related work items. Use link types like blocks, is blocked by, and relates to, and review those dependencies during planning meetings so risks are visible early. Finally, open your Jira reports and use tools like Epic Burndown, velocity charts, sprint reports, and release progress reports. Reviewing these regularly during Agile ceremonies helps teams stay informed, improve predictability, and keep execution aligned with SAFe planning.